We are pleased to show you the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, engine block heater, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. Come see the car for yourself.